Indomie.
Sekarang giliran mana?
Oh ya. Now that I'm smelling that, oh I'm
Balik lagi bareng kita. Nah, ini malam pertama kita di hutannya Pulau Vancouver. Nah, kita baru sampai dan kita semua kelaparan. Nah, jadi aku hari ini mau masakin mereka. Apalagi kalau bukan Indomie. Cuma masak Indominya teman-teman pakai sarden, sambal tanpa pakai sayur atau pakai jamur. Nah, jadi agak spesial. Terus kita makan juga pakai nasi, jadi biar lebih kayak ada energinya. So, ya nih aku udah lagi masak nasi di situ. Terus ini masak air buat masak Indominya. Dan Alex lagi bantuin aku potong pakcoy. Which one is that? Oh, this one. And that's the earring. It's gonna be loud. Okay, let's go guys. Nah, kita masak Indominya 4 nih teman-teman.
three of us like chili, so maybe a lot.
Tapi kalau di mana di sana mobil hat Indomie.
Hey, Manu, so are you gonna go back to the gym? Or?
I mean, yeah, I think eventually I will go back to gym. Yeah, I mean, I have not spent any time thinking about it, but I mean, I guess, yeah, it's probably now as safe as it's gonna be for the next month. So, yeah, I would say I'm gonna give it a try, see how it is.
This is not too bad.
Sekarang giliran mana?
Oh yeah. Now that I'm smelling that, oh I'm so hungry.
Okay. This is a lot of meat. Just eat, yeah.
Okay.
You can give it to Alex.
This is for you.
Thank you.
So guys, Indomie tapi spesial, Indomie spesial. Nah ini kita mau makan.
Selamat makan.
Enjoy everybody. I hope it tastes good though.
Yeah.
I just used my feeling.
Thanks for the cooking.
It's really
And thanks for all the cutting.
Thank you.
It's a teamwork.
No, we're a team.
I did all the filming, so.
See, everyone was doing something.
Exactly. It's
Oh, this is
vegetarian.
really good.
They're really good.
Yes?
Not sure if it feels really good. Maybe it's because of like long day on the road and everything, long day of
Why
traveling.
you always say it like that?
But it really is. It tastes so good right now. So I'm not saying it's because of that, but I think this makes it even more intense.
Mmm. Wow. It turned really good. It's good that we put the onions extra and the garlic.
Yeah, garlic always gives really good taste to it.
Mereka gila banget teman-teman, udah pedes, tetap aja pakai tabasco.
My dad always put like a lot of garlic in everything. Even eats the garlic cloves. Sometimes like that. Just fry them. Actually, deep fry, they taste so
Oh, this is good. Yeah, I know. They're not
fried
so.
garlic, eh?
Yeah.
It won't smell so bad. They taste good.
I think it's similar like one night where we also like drove very long, and then in the evening you make the Indomie. This
It was
is
a
very
simple
similar.
one. This is the special one.
Yeah, this is the fancy version.
Let's say that's that. The fancy one.
I think we'll add some pepper.
Wow. That's really good, I might say. Thank you. Small tabasco. What time is it actually? Oh my god, 11. It's like the last time in Clearwater we also at 11.
Yeah.
Making it night. My mom likes to cook Indomie with the pad chai.
I feel it's getting spicy now.
You also add a lot of Tabasco, right?
Yeah, a little some.
The Tabasco is not so spicy, eh?
No.
It's not so crazy now.
I think it's not getting spicy because like I put a lot of extra, like a vegetable and mushroom. I think when it's only the noodle, it's gonna be quite spicy. You know what I'm gonna try to make it? Like Indomie with jalapeno and cilantro. Kind of big like Mexican.
Mexican Indonesian like fusion.
Yeah.
And instead of the tteokbokki, you eat it with nachos.
Nachos, yeah.
Or tortillas. It's like taco Indomie.
Really, really good.
Yeah. Like you being in the like somewhere in the forest and you can eat stuff. I'm being very thankful. I hope the smell's not gonna go to the neighbor because they're gonna get hungry. What is this? It is so good.
Or the bear.
Oh, the best, yeah.
After half an hour, we have a bear.
It's watching over there.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I met this guy that loves fishing in one of the places that I went to see.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
and he said that he has been in front of bears like a lot of times, but that once or twice he got chased by the bears.
Oh.
Wow.
And I'm like, and what did you do when they start to chase you? Just run. But it was so funny the way he was saying, just run, man. Run until you don't see it. You don't have other choice.
They can
But actually, you
outrun
can never win against the bear in running. Like the bear is always faster.
No, but like maybe sometimes when they change is because there are some.
Also, if you leave the area, then they will stay with the cups.
Yeah,
right?
if you're away of the area, like
Yeah, when it's with the cups, but when it's a single one, they're gonna just guess you. Like,
So usually, like running away is actually the worst thing you can do. Okay, to the closing.
Ya. Akhirnya teman-teman kita sudah kenyang. Jadi kita mungkin mau getting ready sleeping ya, mau tidur. Terus ini masih berantakan juga. How's the food?
You go first, Ramona.
You go first.
Okay,
You're
okay.
the driver.
Okay. It was really, really good. Tasted great. I love I always love the Indomie. It's so like spicy and tasteful. So that's what I like. Now it was the perfect meal for this evening. Thumbs up.
For me, it was great too because we were so
Vegetarian.
hungry, and this was vegetarian. Actually, I like that you can use Indomie in different ways. You can do it like the vegetarian way, or add some meat if you don't like. If you are not vegetarian, and the way with Nancy made it, it was like
I'm a recipe.
the recipe. It was really healthy because we used bok choy and a lot of veggies, so it was healthy. And good.
But it's
Thumbs
good.
up.
I would say it's still healthy. Yeah.
Yeah. So
What do you say?
full now. Well, I love it. I was like, if you cook Indomie just like the simple ingredient from them, it sometimes can be really like boring. But if you pimp it with like vegetable and then you put some onions and then garlic and then
For me, it's like give me more of that stuff. Like
and then we put also like mushroom and like just like a proper like meal, not only like a between meal. So it was good. I like it as well. And then you put rice. I know. And I even for some Indonesia, why you eat rice with the noodle.
yeah.
And it definitely doesn't make sense for Caucasian because it's both are carb.
Yeah.
But we like it like that. Like my family always like to eat like noodle with rice. You just eat carb basically.
It's good. Yeah. It was good because the rice was like this neutral taste and the noodles were pretty intense in taste. So it was the perfect combination.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow. So we still don't know exactly what we're gonna do tomorrow, but definitely we're gonna do some video, of course, so you know what's our activity being in the forest in Vancouver Island. Okay.
Right.
So
Good
now
night and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.